So guys, now we are in a place called Manvi. You can see on the street full of cotton. Like there. It's fully cotton. Like here many shops are also having cotton. Now let's see what will be the next plan. So guys, this is Manvi. We are walking on the streets till where I don't know.
After a peaceful poop.
Yeah. Now we are going. Let's go. Manvi. So guys, now we are gonna buy some fruits and vegetables from here. And we'll go and cook or something or eat the fruits. Let's go. Go to next lift to from Manvi. Don't know till where he's going.
Hello.
This is our driver by. This is where we are going. So guys, stopped in a petrol pump for filling the diesel. With me here, Arjun is there. He's our boy who is taking us. We are going together now. We have stopped for putting the coolant here. Coolant coolant. We will take that and put it inside there. We have stopped near a dhaba. Those people are also with us. Both of them friends. He, this guy and that guy. Very good friends. From childhood, very friend. He's like Chotabim and that is like Raju. Yeah, let's see. This is the friend of this guy. We have to fill that and get going. So guys, buyers get down for filling the water into his private tank. There you can see filtering system. The filtered water can be taken by people by coming here. After this we will be continuing.
Hey,
we are eating. Look here.
Yeah.
So guys, now we are in Jadcherla. Okay, bye.
Bye.
Now we are getting down from here. Laitala. Bartu. Okay, bye. Yeah.
It's about 50 kilos. Huh?
Yeah, almost. Okay, bye.
Can you?
Yeah.
Can you? No.
No problem. Okay, bye. Bye. So guys, now we are in Jadcherla. Outside of, he is also with us. Outside of Hyderabad. So it is cold.
Let's go see him. Bye.
Yeah, bye.
Huh?
Where is he? Yeah. Guys. It's cold here, weather.
And it's 15 degrees.
15 degree. Okay, now we have to search for the next vehicle. Let's go. Yes, you can see there written Jadcherla, Hyderabad, Bangalore. Yeah, like that. It is like a static mode. Guys, now we are in Jadcherla. Now the time is 2:10. You can see this is written there, Jadcherla. I have worn my jacket. It is how cold it is, man.
It's about 15 degrees Celsius. Too cold.
Too cold. And we are trying to get our next lift, or should we get our next lift? We are not sure. Anyway, moving on to forward. This is towards Hyderabad highway. Let's go. So guys, now we are relaxing in a bus stop. As you can see, maybe we'll sleep here only and continuing the journey in the morning. Now it's already morning, like 7 o'clock, 6 o'clock that time. That will go somewhere inside a place. And we are in highway now. Let's see. So guys wandered upon it dhaba over here. He wanted to have tea. Now it's 3 o'clock in the morning. This is the place. Still in Jadcherla only. By walking we have come a little bit far, like 2 kilometers something. We now in front of a shop we are sitting. Then we'll see what next. You can see the moon over there. Very beautiful color. That's the moon. Dun, dun, dun. Guys, we have been walking about 2.5 hours, right? 3 hours something. Now this is our second flyover that we are passing. We are on top of a flyover right now. Jing, jing, jing. Let me make it clear. Yeah, there is the moon. There's the other things that are down there. We are on top of a flyover. Let's go.
इधर नहीं बैठना है, हाईवे है ना,
हाँ
गाड़ी दूर से आता है।
ओ ठीक है ठीक
और
है
किधर बैठो?
इधर बैठो
आप टेस्ट कर लो ना।
हाँ sit with me.
हाईवे ना, राइट।
So guys, now we have kept our bag over there, going in tractor. Huh? Kerala. Where's the bag? This is a tractor we are coming in right now. There's a bags over there kept. They have gone to drink some tea. After that we'll be going towards that side. Almost 10 to 15 kilometer has been covered. I think is also there. More is there. About 10 more kilometers they will be with us. After us we will be going in different directions. They bought tea for us also, even though it's good. It's hot, but not feeling it because of the cold hands. Yeah. ठीक है बाय बाय ओके हाँ बाय ओके it is starting to become sunrise. Let's go. ಅಣ್ಣ ಉಂಗಳೋட பேரு வம்சிக் ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಊರೆಲ್ಲ ಹಿಂಗೆಯಾ ಹಿಂಗದ
ஒரு பேர்டு தெரியுதுல்ல சார்
ಕರೀಂನಗರ ಓಕೆ ಸೊ now we are going with him. So guys, good live. आपका नाम नेम धर्मपाल.
Yes, I belong to Punjab.
पंजाब.
My house only Delhi.
Okay.
But I belong to Punjab.
Punjab.
Living in Delhi.
Okay, living in Delhi. Okay. So we are going with him. With me, Arjun. Let's go. Guys, we are in Hyderabad outer highway. There you can see.
Delhi.
Guys, now we are stopped here in a small truck food spot. After eating, we'll be continuing the journey. There is our driver bro. Is brushing his teeth. After that, everything is busy over there. If you want puri, they will make it and give on the spot. Now the time is afternoon 2:20. We have stopped in a restaurant over here, and over there we can go and have bath. Currently now Arjun is bathing. As you can see there, he is bathing over there. We are in highway only. This is the water, and we can take bath over there with that cup of mug. There is the hotel also. The lorry drivers who come here take bath in this tank usually and go and eat there. It is built by the hotel people only, so that lorry drivers can bath and eat from the same place like that. Is coming after taking bath. How you feel after taking bath? Cool, yeah. Let's see. Her driver bro is there eating. Thing. You can see.
Where did it come? There.
What? Yeah, inside it is there.
Train
So guys, there's the lorry we have come in. We are just gonna go have a cup of tea. It's cold here. It has started to get colder. It's about 7 o'clock. No, almost not. It's 7 o'clock here now. Right now.
हाईवे रोड है ना थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम आपको लेने का है
नहीं
So hello guys, we have halted here. That's the lorry we came in, that one over there. The driver is sleeping inside. This is where we are sitting. Arjun has gone on to that side for some reason. We have kept our water bottle and everything here. Now almost 10:30 time is. It has started to get little bit more colder. So there is one big field over there. Yeah. Here we can warm our hands. On side of soap they have kept it like this. There.
ना 12 बजे
हाँ 12
टाइम
हाँ 12 बजे अभी
स्टार्ट
So guys, we are making our own fireplace here. Due to cold, it is very cold here. So from here we are taking small branches of tree and putting in fire, making it big fire. Hey, what's the time now? 12 o'clock now.
यस अराउंड
Yeah, 12. At night, 12 o'clock, we are doing this. We are in highway. You can see. Guys, we only created this. We almost cleaned the full area. It was fully big chunk of tree wood was there. We almost took half of it and put it there. Now we will. I don't know. Hey. Make it to Celsius. What do you want?
16 Celsius. Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Now we are putting more wood and making it proper. Why, what you do? We are sitting here. Oh, very cool. Campfire in middle of highway. Near toll. There is the toll booth. Oh. Now it is too hot. Seeing fire, other people also coming. Vijayawada, he's from. Arjun is here. Yeah.